Welcome to the Exam Coach 11 Plus Exam Daily Vocab Show, where we build your 11 Plus exam vocabulary one word at a time. Today's word is weary. It is pronounced we-re, and it is spelt W-E-A-R-Y. Think we and then A-R-Y. Weary means feeling tired and lacking energy or enthusiasm. It's a great word to use when you want to talk about feeling tired and drained. For example, you could say, the long hike in the hills left us all feeling weary. Or, the endless homework made him feel weary. The word weary comes from the Old English word weirg, which means fatigued or exhausted. The word has been used in English since the 9th century to describe feeling tired and lacking energy or enthusiasm. In the film Inside Out, Bing Bong, who is the imaginary friend of the protagonist Riley, suddenly begins to feel weary and exhausted when the other characters, especially Riley, stop believing in him. Synonyms for weary are tired, fatigued, exhausted, and drained. Antonyms for weary include energized, refreshed, and lively. Impress your friends and family by using your new word today, weary. Have a top day ahead, and we'll be back tomorrow at the same time for another Exam Coach 11 Plus Exam Daily Vocab Show.